Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share some projects with you. These are going out to the lovely Christine. I'll leave Christine's channel down below. Please go and check that out. Yeah, it'll be in the description box down below. It was her birthday in June, so I'm a bit behind on Happymail and things, but yeah, I thought I'd pop on and share before I send these out. I have tried to collect all the things that I used as well, so I could just show you like the products that I've used on it. So the first thing that I've made for her is a pocket letter. I haven't made one of these in quite some time, and I had a load of these little pockets and I thought it'd be quite nice to put one together for her birthday. So on the side here I've just made a little tassel with loads of different fibres and wool and ribbon and things. These beads, the lovely Kim Kelly sent me some of these in this when we did our Easter swap. So yeah, I've been using those on various projects. So I've just put some on the end there, and then this pink one I picked up from the range. It's like glass silk, it says, yarn. I thought it'd be quite nice to make charms and things out of. So I've just put that on now, and then the papers that I've used on all the projects I'm about to share with you, I will leave the link. I did a haul video and I showed you the collection. I think it was Photoplay collection I picked up from the range, so I will link that either on the screen or in the description, so please go and check out that video if you want to see what you get in the kit. But yeah, so here's all the different bits I made the pocket letter from. The washi tape I had in my stash. I'm not sure what collection this was from. I just put an eyelet on the top. Yeah, and then I've used various stickers and things, like I said, from that collection. It's very summery. I thought it was really fun kit. And then in the back I've just put some goodies that I'm going to be sending. So that is the pocket letter. Then made a card, and the kit comes with various, I wonder if I could just show you. So it comes with these bits, and you just pop these bits out, and I thought, well, that makes quite a nice frame or shaker, so that's kind of what I've used to make this shaker for this card. I just put some foam underneath to pop it up so I could put the sequins and things in. Again, this is from the kit. Papers in the background. This I had in my stash. I think I picked up from the works. They do quite a few things like that in the works. And these are flowers, again, that the lovely Kim Kelly sent me when we did our swap. And I will leave her, she doesn't have a YouTube, but she does have an Instagram, and I will leave that in the description down below. So you can go and check it out. So that's the card I've made. I then had this wooden like plaque in my stash. I don't know where this was from, but it had an eyelet at the top, so I've just put some ribbons and again some fibres and things, and then this mesh I just made into a bow. I picked up this on Amazon. I got quite a few different colours in it. That's one of them. I've not got the other one to hand. Oh, here it is. This is the one I actually used. So it's like a glittery mesh, and you can make flowers and things out of it. You get quite a lot on there. Yeah, I just got that on Amazon. So I just made that into a kind of layered bow to go on there. Again, all the bits from the kit, and then I did use some glossy accent on top just to give it that sort of shine and seal it all. And yeah, so that is that. The paint I used to paint this is this one. Again, I think this was from the range. Acrylic paint, and these are only like £1, I think, so really cheap, and they stay on well. So that's that. And then had this wooden pencil case. This I think I picked up from Trago Mills a long time ago, and again I painted it with the same paint and obviously used the papers on there. Again, these are all bits from the kit. The flat back pearls were from the lovely Lisa. Again, I will link her channel in the description down below. Please go and check out her channel. Yeah, so I just stuck those all on top. Some more elements from the kit, and then I use some letters. I think these were from the Works on the banner there. And then inside I have some other flowers I'm going to put in here, but I haven't put them in yet. I crocheted these little doilies. I thought they were really cute. You could add different things like paper crafts and things on top or underneath. You could add them to a rosette. Yeah, she can do whatever she wants to them. So I've put quite a few in there. I thought they'd be quite nice to add to different projects. I then crocheted some hearts. This was really cool. I picked this up from the range, and it came in a massive bag. Quickly show you. Ooh, sorry guys, I just knocked the camera. Yeah, you get quite a few rolls in there, and I think it was only like, well, it was £5.99 on there, but I didn't pay £5.99. I think it was only like £4 or something like that, £3. So I thought that was really good. So yeah, so that's the projects. Again, I've put some, like, lined the top and the bottom in there with some paper from that collection. Yeah, I thought they'd come out really nice. So I'm going to be sending these out to her. Like I said, please go and check out her channel. It'd be linked in the description. And I hope you're all having an awesome day, guys, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.